What's up, YouTube? I just want to give a little update on the upgrades I've done to my 2016 Fz07. So far, I've done a lot of little cosmetic upgrades to it. My most recent one was the exhaust that I put on there. It's really loud. It's just straight pipe. I just added a little piece of tube on there with the turn down, and it came out pretty good. Other than that, I got these mirrors. They fold, so whenever you're lane splitting, you can just close them. Painting these little filters red, as you guys can see. Got these crash bars red. I painted my my kickstand red, my oil cap red, my levers have red, my cell phone holder has red, the red on the rims. Painted these back here red. You know, just little red accents to it, make it stand out a little bit more. Other than that, I'm gonna turn this bike on so you guys could hear how loud it is. I know it's pretty loud. Hear my eardrums. But yeah, that's my 2016 Yamaha Fz07. If you like it, hit like, subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.